Hey Bearcats, just a street away from main campus and across the street from Sheakley Athletics Complex, we're at the Jefferson House. Let's check out the inside.
Hi, welcome to Jefferson. We're all second years and this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Come on in.
Okay, right when you walk in, we have our kitchen, which came with the fridge, oven, microwave, and dishwasher. And we brought in our Keurig because we're all big coffee drinkers. And then something fun we added to the kitchen was a board with all of our schedules on it to kind of keep on track where all the roommates are.
Now this is the living room. What was provided was the couch, the chair, the coffee tables, and the TV stand. We brought the TV, these 2 chairs, and the rug to make it a little more homey. Some of the things we like to do in this space is watch Vanderpump Rules during dinner time and watch movies together.
And then off the living room, we have our balcony, which didn't come with any furniture, but we brought our own so we could sit outside and enjoy the nice weather when we can.
Right, now moving into the first bedroom. What was provided was the bed and the bed frame and then 2 dressers that I put underneath my bed to make a little more spacious around. That is mine little shelf that I used for my TV, and then they also provided the desk. I added my own comfier chair because the other one wasn't as comfy, and then I also added decorations to jazz it up a little bit.
And now into my bedroom, we also have the same things provided, such as the bed frame, desk, chair, and 2 dressers that are hidden under the bed. To make it a little more homey, I put on some wall decor, brought in an extra shelf, and put some family pictures up. And then we have the closets, which are super spacious, a lot of room for all the clothes.
Into my room. It came with the bed frame, the bed. I put the 2 dressers they gave us under there. I added the TV stand with some clothes. And then I have some pictures of friends and families everywhere. And then I love Taylor Swift, so I have all of her stuff and a record player. And then it comes with this big spacious closet, and it comes with the rod and the curtain. And then at the end of the hallway, we have our in-unit washer and dryer. And over here, we have 2 bathrooms. This is one of them. We had to provide our own shower curtain, and then in the bathtub, we added this for more storage.
One of the best things about living at Jefferson House is being right across the street from campus. We were directly across from the baseball field, so it's a really easy walk to class.
Another good thing about living here is we're very close to a lot of off-campus stuff. We're very close to Kroger, CVS, some restaurants which are Wingstop, Mag Shack, which is a mac and cheese bar, and the 86, which is a coffee place, which is right down the road, and then the Cincinnati Deli, which has a bunch of everything.
Yeah, and we really love living together. We like to hang out together. We have our own rooms, which is really nice, and we get to have a space together and also separate.
Thank you for stopping by the Jefferson House. Go Bearcats!
Go Bearcats!
Bye.
Bye.